Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In our previous class, we have been discussed about the different type of blood groups. So totally we having the 4 different type of blood groups are present: A, B, A, B, and O. So these are the 4 different type of blood groups are present. And for this 4 different type of blood groups, so how many types of alleles will get here? 3 different type of alleles will be from IA, IB, and IO. These 3 different alleles, it will segregate to each other to form a different genotypes. So totally how many different type of genotypes will get here means 6 different type of genotype will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 different types of genotype will get here. By combining these alleles, we will get here 6 different type of genotype will get here. And how many types of phenotype will get here means 4 different type of phenotypes will get. So these are the phenotype and this is the genotype. So this genotype, it will get formed by this 3 alleles: IA, IB, and IO. So for blood group, how many alleles will get present here? 3 alleles: IA, IB, and IO. So these 3 alleles combine together to form a 6 different type of alleles. So up to these things we have been discussed in our previous class. Now let us discuss the next topic. Today's topic is so related to this blood related to this blood group. So there are certain problems will be given for in your exam. So these problems, it will not be given in your board exam, but these problems, it will be comes for your NEET exam. So in your NEET, especially these type of problems will be asked in your NEET. So let us discuss these problems in today's class. So inheritance of a blood group. So now what is the blood group of the parent and what type of blood group will be appear in the offspring. So blood group blood group of man also inherited in Mendelian pattern depending on the homozygote and heterozygosity of the parents. The blood group of progeny will be blood group of the progeny will be. So what they are telling is inheritance of blood group. Inheritance means you know very well here, transfer of characters from the parents to the offspring. What is the meaning of inheritance? Transfer of characters from one generation to the another generation, or else transfer of characters from parents to the offspring. So not only the characters will be transferred from parents to the offspring, even the blood group will also be transferred from parents to the offspring. So blood group of the man also inherited. So the blood group of the parent also inherited in a Mendelian pattern. So blood group will also transfer to the offspring in whose pattern means Mendelian, because Mendel is the first person who said that characters will be transferred from parents to the offspring. So how the characters will be transferred from parents to the offspring according to the Mendelian pattern. In the same manner, blood groups will also be transferred from parents to the offspring, and depending on whom means depending on the homozygosity and heterozygosity. You know very well what is the meaning of a homozygosity. If the alleles are same means we are calling it as a homozygosity. If alleles are different means we are calling it as a heterozygosity. Just now we have been discussed about the blood group here. IA means we are calling it as a homozygosity. So IB means homozygosity. IO means homozygosity. Heterozygosity means IA-IO, IB-IO, and IA-IB, and these are the heterozygote. So on the basis of their homozygosity and heterozygosity of the parents, where what happens means the blood group will be transferred into the progeny. So on this, related to this, certain questions are given in your exam. So in your NEET exam especially. So let us discuss by taking one problem here. So the problem what they have been given is, suppose a man with a blood group. So the A blood group. So in the man alleles, what type of alleles are present? They have been given in the bracket. So alleles are homozygous condition. Marries with a woman B blood group. The woman is also in a which condition? Homozygous condition. So then if F1 generation, the children will have only AB group. This can be illustrated. So they are given the problem here. This can be illustrated. They are given the problem and they are telling to illustrate this in this manner. So first what they have been given is they are given the man. So that means here they are given the father blood group. What is the father blood group? Father blood group is A. So this is the father. So this is the father. Father blood group is A. And what is the mother blood group means woman. Woman means mother. So what is the mother blood group means? Mother blood group is B. So father blood group, father having a blood group, mother having the B blood group. Now in the bracket they have been given here homozygous. So in the bracket what they are given here? Homozygous. You know very well homozygous and heterozygous. So for A blood group we can write the two types of alleles. Which are the two types of alleles means IA IA, another one IA, IO. So these are the two different type of genes we can write for A. But here they have been given mentioned the homozygous here. Homozygous means which type of genes we have to write here means these genes we have to write because both are same. So that's why we have to take the homozygous. If here they mention the heterozygous means that time we have to take the this type of alleles. In the same manner, B blood group also they have been given here. So for B blood group, what type of alleles it will comes here? IB it will come. Another one IB, IO. So like the two different type of alleles will get here. Here also they mention the homozygous. Homozygous means which kind of pattern it will comes here? IB pattern it will comes. So if they are given the heterozygous means we can write this pattern, we can write IB, IO. But they are given this pattern IA and IB pattern. So that's why we have to write that illustrate in this form here. We have to illustrate like this here. So parents, what they have been given? Parents we have to write here. Parents, father and mother. That means here they are given man and woman they are given. So man blood group is A. So we have been written here. What is this here? Man blood group. So blood group is A and this blood group is B. Then we have to write the genotype for this one. So what are the genotype we have to write here? They are mentioned the homozygous. Just now I said here homozygous IA and this is IB and IB. Now further we have to release the gametes here. We are releasing the gametes IA. So here we have to write the in the blood group case we have to write the two gametes also we have to write here. But in the case of characters here we have been released only one gamete. We have been released only one gamete. If they are in homozygous condition means we are written only one gamete we were writing. But here we have to write the both the gametes here in blood group. So we have to write the IA two gametes. Here IB two gametes we have to release here. And these gametes now we have to put in the checkerboard as we have been discussed in our previous classes. How to write the checkerboard, same pattern we have to follow. So that means how to follow means like this, in this manner we have to put the checkerboard and we have to write the alleles of both the parents. Either you write here IA or here IB, or you write like here IB or IA, wherever you want you can write. But one side one type of genes they should write here, other parent genes you have to write here. Wherever you want you can write this genes here. So now we are written IA here and we are written IB in here. So let us do the crossing here. So IA IB, then IA IB, then IA IB, then IA IB. So like that. So we got the offspring. So this is the offspring we will get here. So they will get the fourth child they will get here. In all these four children, so what type of blood group it will be appear means AB blood group it will be appear. So father they having the which type of blood group? Father having the A blood group, mother having the B blood group, and for them what are the children they are getting? In that children body which type of blood group it is appearing means AB blood group it is appearing. So how many childs they will appear also in all the children body which type of blood group it will be present? AB blood group. So here you have to write the phenotype also. This is the genotype and this is the phenotype. So may you have to mention. So while you are writing, put these columns in a big in manner so that easily you can write the both phenotype and the genotype. So this is the genotype and this is the phenotype. Now parents, father having the A blood group and mother having the B blood group. For the children what type of blood group they got here? All the children they got the AB blood group. Like this even you can calculate yourself here. So calculate your mother, check out your father blood group and your mother blood group and write on the checkerboard here. Find out that whether they having the homozygous condition or heterozygous in condition. If you come to know that whether they are homozygous or heterozygous means easily you can get that in your body what type of blood group it may be appear. Next, this is one type of problem. Just here they are given all the information and they are telling to illustrate that one in this manner. But in certain case in your especially in your NEET exam what they will give MS, so they will give the father blood group and mother blood group and they will ask you to find out the what type of blood group will be appear in the progeny. So such type of questions also it may be appear in your exam, or else here in this manner they may be ask you. So another one question let us discuss here. Suppose a man with A blood group so marries a woman with B blood group. So in F1 generation children will have A, B or O group. This can be illustrated as follows here. So here they are asking same pattern. This question is also they have been given here. So a man marries with a women. So man is marrying to the woman. So man blood group is A and woman blood group is B. Same just now we have been discussed about. In that same pattern this question is also appearing. But the difference what here means, so before the alleles were in a homozygous condition, but here the alleles are in heterozygous condition. So heterozygous condition. So that's why we will illustrate this one. So let us illustrate this one. So parents here. So man and woman. Parents blood group what here? A and B. So genotype, let us write the genotype here. So they have been mentioned in the bracket here. Heterozygous condition. Heterozygous means what type it should come here? IA, IO, because both are different. Here you have to write here IB, IO. Two different types are present here. Then we have to release the gametes here. IA, IO. Here I have to release the gametes IB, IO. So two different gametes we have to release here. So IA. Now let us put this in a checkerboard. Let us put them in a checkerboard. So which is the checkerboard? Here is the checkerboard. So we have to put the alleles. As I said you before also here, wherever you want you can put this alleles into the checkerboard here. So in this checkerboard either you put IA, IO here, IB, IO here, wherever you want you can exchange. Now you do the crossing in this checkerboard. IA, IB. See here I have written here IA, IB. Next IA, IO. IA, IO. Next IB, IO. Next what they have been given here? IB, IO they have been given. Next IO, IO. So they will get the 4 children here, and in 4 children, one of the children they may be having AB blood group, one children they may be having A blood group, other children they may be having B blood group, and another one child here they may be having O blood group. So like that, the parents who is having the A and B blood group, if their genes will be in a heterozygous in condition, means then in these cases, whichever the child they will get here, and that among all the children they will having the 4 different type of blood groups are also appear. See 4 different blood groups are also present. A, B, AB and O. So 4 different types of blood group are present. It will get appear. When means only when they are in a heterozygous in condition here. But whereas in a homozygous in condition means all the children they are born in a what here means same concept here. AB, 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 AB. So how many children if they get also, all the children will be get which type of blood group they will get here means all the children they will get a AB blood group only. When the children will get the AB blood group means when they are in a homozygous in condition. A father and a mother, either father he may be A and mother may be B, or else he can exchange. So father mother may be A, father may be B. If you exchange like that also, we will get the same pattern only we will get here. Homozygous means all will produce as the AB blood group in the offspring here. How many offsprings also they get also here in every offspring. So what type of blood group will be appear means AB blood group only it will be appear. If they are in a heterozygous in condition means which type of blood group will be appears in the offspring means 4 different type of blood groups will also be appear. So A, B, AB and O. One child they may be having A blood group, another child they may be having B, another child they may be having AB, and next another one child they may be having the O blood group. So like that the questions may be arises in your exam, in your board exam also, and even in your NEET exam also. And these questions is important for your especially for your NEET exam. Suppose here if they didn't given any heterozygous or homozygous condition, just they have been given father having the A blood group and mother having the B blood group here. So calculate which type of blood group will be appear in the offspring. So such type of question will be asked in your exam. Understand? So what is my question is, suppose in your exam if they given what the question they are being given, just they are telling father is A blood group, mother is B blood group, and which type of offsprings will be produced. So this question if they ask here. Now here they didn't mention any homozygous or heterozygous, just what they given father blood group A and B, but they didn't mention there whether the alleles are homozygous or heterozygous condition. क्या भी उन्होंने मेंशन नहीं करे, जस्ट क्या बोले फादर का ब्लड ग्रुप ए रहता है, मदर का ब्लड ग्रुप बी रहता है, बट वहाँ क्या भी उन्होंने मेंशन करे नहीं होमोजाइगस और हेटेरोजाइगस. अगर उन्होंने मेंशन नहीं करेगा तो विच एवर यू वांट यू कैन put the alleles here. If you write heterozygous condition also they have to give the marks, or else if you write the homozygous condition also they have to give the marks here, because they didn't mention any homozygous or heterozygous. So whichever type of alleles you want you can write and you can calculate and you have to put the answer. So your answer will be right. But suppose if they written in the bracket whether the alleles are homozygous or heterozygous means then that type of alleles only you have to put here. See in this case here, second sum what they have been asked here, heterozygous condition they mentioned here. So that's why you have to put the alleles in this manner, heterozygous. See, different are there, IB, IO, heterozygous in condition. But in first case what they are written here, homozygous they ask here, IB, IB, IA, IA. So this is the homozygous condition. So like that the question may be asked in your exam. Next here, they are given one tabular column for you. So what type of blood group may be possibles are there to which type of blood group may be appear in the offspring. So possibilities of the blood group in the children. So and what type of which type of blood group are present in the parent. So which type of blood group are present in the parent and what type of genotype it may be appear and what type of possible type of blood group may be appear in the child. So these three concept letters given in this tabular column. See they are given here parental blood group. So in this column what they have been given here, they are given the parent blood group they have been given, and here they have to write the genotype of this parents. So here what you have to write here, you have to write the genotype of that parents here, and in this column, so for this type of parents, which type of blood blood group will be appear in the offspring. So that blood group they have been mentioned in this column. So let us discuss this one here. So first one they have been given here. In first case what happened means, if the father also having the A blood group and mother also having the A blood group, both father and mother, parent means father will also come, mother will also come. So father having the A blood group and mother having the IA blood group. If both they having the A blood group means, then we will write the genotype for this one. So what is the genotype for this one means, IA, IO, IA, IO. This is the heterozygous in condition. Genotype is IA, IO, IA, IO. This is the genotype. Then what type of blood group will appear in the offspring means, the child may get either A or O blood group. So in offspring which type of blood groups may be appear here means, in children some children they may get A blood group and some children they may get a O blood group. This you can put by putting in checkerboard also here. You can calculate here. See like this. Just I will show you here. So we will put the alleles here. IA, IO, then IA, IO. So we will write IA, 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 IO, IA, IO, then IO, IO. See here, A blood group, A blood group, A blood group, O blood group. So the children which will born for them in their children body, they may be having the A blood group. See, in 3 children they having the A blood group it is present. In 1 child they having the O blood group. That means here, so how many children will get for them? So in the children, so they may be get either A blood group or O blood group. So these 2 blood groups will be present in the offspring. So in whose body means, the parents who is having the what here blood group A and A, and their genotype it should be in this pattern heterozygous condition means this type of blood group will be appear in their offspring here. Next second case they have been given here. Second case, if the parent having the one of the parent having the A blood group, another parent having the B blood group, either whichever you want you can exchange. Suppose this is the father you can keep, or this as a mother you can keep here. Suppose father having the A blood group and mother having the B blood group, or you can exchange. So mother having the A blood group, father having the B blood group, whichever you want you can exchange. But in the parents they having the A and B blood group it is present. Then if you write the genotype of this one here means, so A blood group IA, IO, and B blood group IB, IO. Heterozygous condition we have been written here. If you write the heterozygous condition means, for this type of children, which type of blood group will be appears in the children here means, in the progeny means, all the 4 different type of blood groups will also be appear. A, B, AB and O. Just now we have been discussed here. See, these allele only we have been calculated here. In this just now we have been discussed the problem. So one of the parent having the A blood group, another parent having the B blood group. If you see here means, so A, B and O blood group. So 4 different type of blood group will also be appear in the offspring. Next third case here. Suppose the parent they have one of the parent they having the A blood group, another parent they having the AB blood group it is present. So then that cases what happen means, IA, IO. So if the alleles are Genotype if we write here means for IA heterozygous condition IA IO, and for this let us write the genotype means IA IB. So if we write in, because for AB the only one type of alleles will produce here, so IA IB. Next if we calculate this one here means, so how many children you want in children blood group, which type of in children which type of blood group will be appear means A, B and AB. This also you can calculate it by putting in a checkerboard. See, I will show you here. Like this you can calculate for among this. So like this it is present. So we will write here IA IO, or else you write here only. Where you want you can write here. In another column we will write IA IB. Now I will put IA. That means here IA means which type of blood group? A blood group it will come. So where it is here. Next here IA IO. That means A blood group only it will come. Here IA IB. That means here AB blood group. See here they have been given. Next IB IO. IB IO means B blood group. So B blood group is also there. See A blood group, AB blood group and B blood group. So like that the parents is having the A and AB blood group. So there is such type of parents, the children they may get these three different type of blood group. It will be appear in their body. Next fourth case it is there. In fourth case, if the parents are having the A blood group and the offspring they having the O blood group means, so in children, so like if you are in children, which type of blood group it may appear? A and O. So if you write A genotype like this means IA IO means in the genotype of IO it will come. So that means A blood group and O blood group will appear in the offspring. This also you can calculate here. I will show you here. So what here? A blood group IA IO IO IO. So now IA IO 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 IA IO IO IO. So like that. So we will write the here A blood group, O blood group, A blood group, O blood group. See, so the children they will get here A and O blood group they will get. So like that we can calculate. You can calculate for all this one here. So next in the same cases, the parents is having the B and B blood group. So we have written the what here means genotype here. So what here means heterozygous condition, both they are present. So that means here B blood group and O blood group will be appear in the offspring. Next B and the parents are having the B blood group and AB blood group means for such type of parents they may get AB and AB blood group. In the same manner B and O blood group. So B and O blood group means heterozygous condition. IB IO B and O blood group it will be appear. So AB and AB. If the parents are having both the parents are AB blood group are present means IA IB. So that type of parents they will get here AB. Here O blood group will not be produced in the offspring here. Next if the parents are having AB blood group and another parent O blood group it is present means, then such type of parents will get here A blood group and B blood group it will be appear in the body. Next in the offspring. Next if the parents both are having the O blood group means, then offspring will also get a O blood group only. So in this case here the because both the parents are having the O blood group only, so that's for 100% offsprings will get only O blood group. There is no chance of getting the other different type of blood group. So with this you can calculate by putting like this checkerboard, and we can see that whether the same pattern of offspring will be get or not here. Here in this case here you can put the homozygous condition also you can calculate. You will get that now different type of offspring will get. So this is the possibilities to get the blood group in the offspring. Suppose if the parental phenotype it is in this condition and parent genotype if it is pattern means, then the possible blood groups it will be appear in the offspring. So like that this is the pattern they have been given in your textbook also. Next one. So even they have been given in your textbook also. See, they have been given in your textbook in your page number 77 they have been given here. If the parent one, that means you can take it as a father or mother. So anyone here. So these are the two parents. Genotype of these parents it may be produced. Then blood group in the offspring it will be in this manner. So like that we can calculate this one. So these are the possible blood groups will be produced in the what here means in the children. Next topic is effect of a gene on the phenotype. Here next topic is effect of a gene on the phenotype. So this we will discuss in your next class.